many challenges running a hardware startup. One of the biggest ones is prototyping quickly and efficiently. You have an idea of what you want to build, but until you actually build it, you don't really know what it's going to look like, you don't know what it's going to feel like, and you don't know how it's going to function.
So the current solutions are either to do things manually with a pair of tweezers and hours of time, or to send things out to a third party who will assemble things for you, but will take between days and weeks and cost hundreds to thousands of dollars.
We try to do everything in-house, and the reason to do that is to speed up the development cycle. You're going to make mistakes, and if you're going to make a mistake, you might as well make it in-house so you know right away and you can make another version as soon as possible.
So the problem we set out to solve is to automate prototyping and small batch assembly, to allow startups to work with smaller parts and to do it in-house rather than sending out to a contract manufacturer.
My name is Alan Sawula, and I'm the founder at Chipsetter. We're bringing a low-cost pick-and-place machine to market to help electronics developers prototype faster. Today's electronics components are getting faster and smaller than ever, but this presents some interesting prototyping challenges, namely how difficult it is to pick up these tiny components and put them on the circuit board to make your first prototypes.
So to do things by hand can take between a few minutes for a simple circuit to 6 hours for a complex one. With the machine, you can cut that down to minutes from hours.
The Chipsetter ONE is a solution that you can use to build your boards same day in-house, figure out if your design works, and then get to market faster. We knew that a pick-and-place machine could be made for the price of a high-end 3D printer, and it's really what we needed as developers.
Chipsetter will change the way people prototype by allowing them access to smaller, newer, lower power parts that are more advanced, and by cutting time from the prototyping cycle.
So a pick-and-place machine uses a small suction cup to pick up the components from the reels that they're supplied on and place them where they need to go on your circuit board. The Chipsetter ONE has all the features of an industrial pick-and-place machine, including an auto tool changer, removable feeders for both tape, cut tape, and tube components, as well as top and bottom vision, ensuring your parts are placed accurately. We know how important it is to have many feeders to support your pick-and-place machine, and that's why we've designed low-cost feeders. These feeders can quickly and easily be swapped in and out of the machine, keeping your setup time down between jobs.
Well, I think the Chipsetter ONE will definitely help you build prototypes quicker, which allows you to get to market quicker as well, and ultimately will build a better product for your business and affect your bottom line. Typically, we have to send our PCBs away to a fab house. That fab house is usually in Asia. There could be shipping problems, there could be problems with the prototype itself, and that's just unnecessarily slow. So with something like Chipsetter, you could speed up your development time from weeks to days.
So if we're doing a batch of circuit board assembly, after the first one, there's a sense of accomplishment. You've got something done. It's a lot less fun after the second one. By the third one, you're starting to get angry, and by the time you get to the 100th, you're really considering whether you've made the right life choices.
We've been designing and testing the Chipsetter ONE for 2 years now, and now we're ready to move to production. But to do that, we need your help. We need to cover our large upfront expenses like injection molds and other tooling. But with your support, we'll be able to bring the Chipsetter ONE desktop pick-and-place machine to electronics developers all over the world and put a factory in every workshop. We know that without recent advancements in desktop 3D printing, we wouldn't have the Chipsetter ONE desktop pick-and-place machine. So we're really excited to see how this technology will enable the next generation of electronics developers.
We've had 3D printing, we have CNCs, but up until this point it's been too expensive to have a pick-and-place machine like the Chipsetter ONE in-house. With that, we're going to see some amazing products built around the whole system.
Whether you're a startup or a maker, Chipsetter will open up new worlds of parts you can use while saving you time and money.
From all of us at Chipsetter, thank you for your support.